Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to our December update on the construction of the Tennessee Titans' new Nissan Stadium in Nashville. Since breaking ground in February 2024, the project has made significant strides toward its anticipated 2027 opening. Throughout 2024, the construction team has focused on major excavation work, removing approximately 400,000 cubic yards of dirt, with a quarter of it designated for backfill purposes. Additionally, all foundation work, including drilled piers to support future columns, has been completed. Concrete work has progressed substantially, with significant developments on the west, north, and south elevated decks at various levels. The earth retention system has also been completed, ensuring structural stability for the ongoing construction. A notable milestone is the pouring of the first slab for the event level, setting the stage for interior build-out. The northwest corner, destined to be a major entry point for fans, is taking shape, and the seating bowl is beginning to form, offering a glimpse into the future fan experience. Sustainability remains a priority, with the use of low-impact concrete mixed with recycled materials like crushed glass, enhancing strength and reducing the project's carbon footprint. Looking ahead, the focus will shift to completing the concrete work in the coming months, followed by the commencement of structural steel installations and the development of interior spaces. The project continues to benefit from favorable weather conditions and a dedicated workforce, maintaining its momentum toward the 2027 completion date. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to track the progress of this exciting addition to Nashville's skyline.